Hello everyone. Welcome to 7. Boeing Starliners off to mission to the space station. Boeing's Crew Space Transportation -100 Starliner successfully launched this evening, May 19, 2022 at 22:54 UTC. This is Starliner's third attempt, said to be a critical and high-stakes attempt to rendezvous and dock with the International Space Station. Starliner is a reusable space capsule and is making this test flight without a live human crew. It is scheduled to dock with the International Space Station Friday evening, May 20th. The uncrewed flight test will provide valuable data toward NASA certifying Boeing's crew transportation system for regular flights with astronauts to and from the space station. Thank you.